Okay, so the clutch is together. Let's see if we can operate it just to make sure that it works. So I just got some shop air. You just find the hole in the body that will operate the piston. And it looks like it's this front one. So I'll show you here. Make sure that all the seals work. So I can do this. See it move? And I can just, I'm not giving it full shop air, just a little bit. And it's holding it. Okay, that's good. I already checked the other one. And it's good too. Bad boy. See it works. And it should tighten the belt when I do that too, or the band. So make sure I got it in the right spot here. Of course I can't see anything. Let's see. I don't want to pop it out of the board. Let's see, I'm able to make it. So it's working. Might have to take it back loose because it's got a bottom of it has to grab. Oh, you know what I forgot? I know what I did. These things go in between. That's what I forgot. So I'll put that bad boy in there. I don't know if you can see, but the bottom of this has a little hook on it. And this little doodad here goes right in that hook like that. So put this in here, and then I got to try to fit that on there and get it into that hook. Alright, let's check out this servo now here and make sure it works. Yep. And it's, make sure it's moving the band too. That one tightens the band also. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay, the band's moving. I can double check this one again. Yep. Okay, bands are moving on both of them, so all of this stuff works. I got the valve body in there. Everything's tightened. I got the modulator in there. It's a neat trick with these that you can check, make sure the diaphragm's not broken. If you don't have a vacuum pump, you can just take this and push it down, push back on it, and put your finger over the end of it, hold it for a second, and if you feel vacuum on it, you know the diaphragm's good. So it held a vacuum on my finger, so that's good. So that's okay. This helps to fine-tune shift points, and you can adjust them a hair. This one's adjustable. It's got a screw in the end of it, in the end of that thing there, and you just turn it like a quarter of a turn in or out at a time to fine-tune your shift points. And so now when you put these tubes in, you shouldn't have to hammer them in or anything. They're just aluminum. They should fit in pretty good on their own. See, that one slid right in there. That one's in. This one sits way down inside the body. That one's in. Just give it a little love tap. Okay, that's good. Just be gentle with them. You don't want to mess them up. Okay. Then I assume this must help hold it down. I've seen these before. I can't remember where that went. I'll look on my phone. I took a picture of this. Actually, the filter might hold it down. No, maybe not. So something will keep those things in place. So it's got to be this thing. Somehow it sits in here. Holds everything in place. So let me look on my phone. Now here, with the spring that I had here, that I found, you need to, since these tubes are just kind of pushed into place, they will move a little bit, which is okay. You can see a dimple here where something was hooked to it. So my thought is that this spring, and it has a wraparound on one end and a hook on the other. Go in and it snaps over, kind of squeezes these together and keeps them from falling out. Just kind of floats in there. So I bet that's exactly how it goes. You just got to keep them from falling out. Filters on, and then there's a quart gasket filter, and usually you just tighten those gaskets up. Any quart gasket, you snug this down till it just starts to squeeze out, just a tiny bit, and then that's tight enough where you'll split it. Got that plugged in. It's all good. So I think this is pretty good. Put the pan on it. Oh, I got to make my adjustments. I got to look those up. Adjust the two bands, and then that's it. Alright, now I got to set the front band to 10 inch-pounds. This is a tiny little torque wrench you need for that. So I already set it, but you loosen it up. Loosen this nut here. Put a 25,000th feeler gauge in between the bolt and the pivot. And then while it's sitting in there, you just take this and tighten to 10 inch-pounds, and that's it. And I'll put this all back together, and then I tighten the other band on the outside. Well, there you go, it's all done. T-35 tranny is done. There's the front band right there, and that's it. It'll be, and that's it, it's all done. Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode, and the T-35 is finished, as you can see, and thanks for watching.